back at it with another video, of course. You know, it's me and my bruh. We playing some football.
Really,
You know,
we're just practicing our throwing and catching.
practice.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Honestly.
yeah.
But we're
At the
playing
end of the day, get it ready for the next 0 to 100 video. We gotta throw the football. But we gotta practice. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you
So,
know, I'm gonna play quarterback. You know, always. You know, I got that strap on me. You feel me? So I gotta, get my quarterback skills right.
Exactly. So yeah, better get to it. Come on, we in there. Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, yo, that was a tree. That was a tree. No. Hey, don't let Gucci get it. Don't let Gucci get it. Oh, my fault. Whoa, boy. Oh.
Run!
Oh, man. Let's go.
Oui. Oui.
That's my bad. Oh, well.
What you have for the cross?
Hey! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oui. Oui. Oui.
Oh, my fault. Oh, yeah, man. My bad, my bad. Hold Oh, my bad. That's that arm. That's that arm. Oh. No. He took it with his mouth. Stop. Go tackle him. Oh, yeah, stop. I'm doing it on purpose so I can get the dog to go mess with him. I ain't gonna do it no more. Don't look though. Brady.
CJ McCollum.
Brady.
Ain't somebody. CJ McCollum. I got that CJ McCollum catch. No, ain't even.
No look though. I threw it with no looking. You know you should have seen it. Hey, it's the replay.
CJ McCollum catch. You ain't even got that. What's in your wallet? What's in my bag? CJ McCollum catch.
Let me run that route. Let me run that route. Run that route.
That's how this little dog. Who know how to square? Oh my goodness.
Go get it. Oh my God. No, tackle him. Yo, oh my God. No. Get that dog. Get the dog. No. Get the dog.
Ain't no way.
I got covered.
We.
Oh my God.
You got it. Hey, run that back. What the? No! Hey, get that! Hey, go!
Why you doing like that?
Stop. This was the first time. I ain't gonna do it no more. That's practice right there. It's hard work, dedication. Now everybody got a dog that play football. Our dog's special ability that it can play football. So not everybody got one of those. But we chose a good breed, you know. He's fast, strong, and he can catch. Very competitive. I don't know why. Look at him sitting down tired. Like he really did something. Hey, my ears are cold.
You know, we've always known that our dog specialized in football, but I never expected him to specialize at this level. We might have to take him to the league. He can walk on, honestly.
You know, short little video, you know, practicing, you know what I'm saying? You see behind the scenes, getting us ready for
Big
football.
announcement.
You know, just behind the scenes. That dog needs help. I don't know why he came out. I swear, in his past life he played football. That's all it is, y'all. That's all it is to it. He came out the womb of his mama dog, and he was a football player in the back of his head. He always knew. You know, good watching us. You know what I'm saying? Get this video. If y'all want to see the dog play football with us again, get this video to
20.
20 likes. Give us 20 likes. Matter of fact, 30. 30 likes. We'll play football with the dog.
Yeah. I didn't know this could happen, but it happened. Hey. Falling with a dog. Falling with a dog.
He don't even want to look at us like we too good, you know what I'm saying? But hey, you know, it's SP Heat.
Yeah.